Today I'm going to be unveiling my energy, environment, and sustainability plan, and it's appropriate to be on the grounds of the Spaulding Rehab Hospital here in Boston. When this hospital was built, it was designed to withstand a lot of different elements of the climate. It's prepared for a superstorm. I believe most of the construction, if not all of the material used in this building, is recycled and environmentally friendly. It's a LEED certified building. We will revise the Boston Climate Action Plan to aggressively reduce greenhouse gas emissions. We're also looking to expand the bottle bill to include non-carbonated beverages, containers, and we're also going to looking at pilot curbside organic recycling and composting, and partner with the Boston Public Schools to develop an educational program for youth around greener lifestyle choices.